Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the "something went wrong, try again later" error on the UpScrolled app. So if the app isn't loading, not working properly, or keeps showing this message, just follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger the network errors. Next, on Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps, then select Manage Apps or All Apps depending on your device. Next, use the search bar at the top and type UpScrolled to find the app and open the app from the list. Once you're inside UpScrolled settings, tap Force Stop to make sure the app is fully closed. Next, tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache and press OK to confirm. This clears any temporary files or corrupted data that might be causing the email error. On iPhone, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to remove old data. This can fix small glitches that prevent your email from working. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for UpScrolled, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and common errors. If you're still facing the issue, restart your phone. This helps refresh the system and fix temporary glitches. And finally, if none of these steps work, the problem may be on UpScrolled's server side, so wait a little while and try again later. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the "something went wrong, try again later" error on the UpScrolled app and get everything working normally again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.